on our way to find the fishing spot. We're following those guys in front of us. We met them at Walmart. So, yeah. Let's see how it goes.
So we're in Groton, Mass.
We're in Groton, Mass. We'll see how it goes, guys.
We're here. We made it.
We finally made it. Finally made it. We almost drove into somebody's driveway, somebody's yard. Could have gotten shot. But anywho, we are here. So let's see what happens. So this friendly guy we met.
Hi.
Hi. He's
I'm Mark.
He's Mark.
Mark,
and
my name
what
is
do you,
Mark.
His name is Mark. So what do you do? Call what you're doing right now?
This is stringing the pole.
He's stringing my pole.
Stringing.
Springing. He's stringing my pole. So then I can go fish. And Jahida's over there setting up the chairs. And his two friends.
Yeah, Curvins and Justin.
Curvin and just Curvin? Curvins with an S?
Curvins, yeah.
Oh, Curvins and Justin. Okay, cool. This is a nice place. Nice place. Look at that hot dog. There's a hot dog. Woo!
Alright, so now you need to
You're gonna get bit by that hot dog.
You need to put a weight first. You got weight?
Yep, right there.
So one of these.
One of those. Alright. No? Sideways? No?
No. No, because that's what happened when you were at the store, remember?
Oh, okay.
Y salió como raro.
Yeah. Well, guys, this is my first time fishing. Well, trying to fish. Well, throwing the ball and the worm in the water. It's my first time. I can't call this fishing if I'm not getting a fish. But, it's okay.
There's two on the table up there. One of them's not yours? No? The one on the right is mine. So the other one must be yours, right?
Yo no quiero cocinar allí. Because that's the wood part. Animals. Estoy por aquí. Over there.
You got a Gatorade or you want one?
I have one, but I think it's getting warm.
There, right? You want another one?
Oh my God! I got something!
You got a fish?
Yeah!
Keep
I'm
going.
scared, I'm
That's
scared,
a
I'm
big-
scared, I'm scared, I'm
Yeah,
scared.
keep going, keep
I'm
going.
scared.
Keep going.
Holy cow, it's gonna break
He's
my...
big, yeah.
Oh my
you got a
God!
big one.
It's gonna break it!
We are small, that's a big
Oh,
one.
where's it at? Come here!
Yeah, keep going, keep going.
Yeah! It's a big one, baby! Oh my God!
This one
I'm
is
scared!
dangerous.
Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Babe, babe! I'm scared!
Don't kick it! Give it to him. It's a
This one?
It's a
That
pipe.
pipe, you cannot. That's, put it in the bucket for me.
Can you imagine?
Put it in the bucket for me.
Yeah!
Take a picture with it.
Babe, come here.
Look at the teeth on him. You got teeth.
Let me go back.
Yeah,
Put it in the bucket.
But you have this kind of fish that.
That's a poo-poo
It's a
fish.
pike.
That's my
That's a
fish.
pickerel, yeah.
Pickerel.
Let's
have his lip off.
Yeah.
Yeah. He got teeth. He got sharp
You can't
teeth.
eat that?
Yeah, you can.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Let me go back here.
You can eat that. You can eat that.
All right, her turn to try to catch a fish. Only caught the one big one. So serious. Where's that little ball? So if I go like this, it's beautiful. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get a boat, a paddle boat, or a canoe, a double-seated canoe. You know, we need life jackets, right? Because, yeah.